Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the inside door handle, and we are also going to replace the window motor. um, this doesn't work. It works every now and then, so I guess part of the motor is no, not 100%. So hope it's gonna be a simple job, quick and easy. I bought this from Rock Auto. um, Door handle is by Ultra Power, and it's about $5.24. And the motor is also by Ultra Power. It's $23.79. Country of origin is China. So, Rock Auto, China. And yeah, let's get on with it. So let's start on these two bolts. um, 7mm, and then let's pop it off. And then we will take off these connectors. So this is just a matter of pushing these tabs, so it will unhook. And this one, and this tab. On this one, however, you have to pull this tab off. I mean up. So I have removed this before, so the bolts are now different. I actually put Allen key bolts here. Next is, let's take these bolts off, so at least we can drop it a little bit, and hopefully it will, make the motor go to a position where it will work, so we can drop it down. Wait, I'm thinking of a different car on how to dismantle this. Um, because I was hoping that once I drop this, I was going to find I was going to find a way to remove the window, but it's not that way. I'll have to figure it out again. So I got it off. First, I removed this from the actuator, and then if you can see these rollers, 1, 2, they go into the windows channel. So what I did is I slide off the roller first out on this way, and then I dropped it, and then I slide the roller out this way, and then it was off. And then it was just a matter of removing the wirings from the panel. So let's replace the motor, and then we will put it back. So what we're gonna be doing now is drill out these rivets, and to do that we need to get access to this one. We need to move it towards the end, and once you're done with this, you will go to the other end, there, then drill this out. And then before you drill this out, we need to get a bolt and a nut where you will put it here, like that, so that it will wedge there. So now it's wedged. You can now drill this off. So once you remove this will not kick off, because this is spring loaded, and I'm sure it's gonna hurt if that happens. Okay, so let me do this. So now we have wedged this safely. I think it's time to remove this. So now it's off. So all we have to do now is to put this in, and look for a bolt that has a flat head and probably a self-locking nut, and then just put this back. So the reason why you need a flat head is because if you don't have a flat head, then it will get caught somewhere here, and that's not a good idea. So these are what I found, and this one is just an ordinary bolt where we will put it here, which it will not tug to anything. And I can't find the self-locking nuts. We'll be using ordinary nuts, and tread lock it. So now it's on. It's attached to the mechanism. So the motor comes with 3 different harness. I guess this can be attached to different kinds of models depending on what harness is to be used. Mine is this one. Let's put it on the panel and then let's put it on the truck. So you're gonna laugh at me at this. I just found out that this comes with bolts. Uh, it's already done, so I might as well just. I'm gonna use this one. Actually, mine is actually better because mine is Allen heads. So, anyways, it's something to laugh at. Anyways, so if you do get this motor from Ultra Power, so they came with wirings and they came with bolts. So next time, don't bother searching it in your toolbox and then hacksawing it. Yeah, it's something for you to learn and for me to experience. There you go, it's working. Finally, I can lock and unlock my door. And then I can roll down the window if it's on. It's a little bit slow as compared to this or the other one or the front. But I don't mind. As long as I don't have to open my door whenever I, go to parking lots to get the ticket or toll gates. So I'm happy with it. And then no more my improvised door handle. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.